Data breaches happen, but this entire video course guarantees they won't happen to you. Welcome to the ultimate Azure Storage Security Blueprint, a masterclass that teaches you how to protect data, defeat breaches, and automate compliance with non-techie ease. We will guide you through 4 vital security zones, unlock everything from active surveillance scanning for malware and sensitive PII, to enforcing identity-based access with Entra ID. We'll build an unbypassable cryptographic shield using mandatory SSE and double encryption, and navigate the entire key lifecycle, evolving your control from risky skeleton keys to secure electronic token badges. Don't just watch the start. Finish the entire journey. Watch the whole course now, and secure your military-grade blueprint today. Think moving your data to the cloud automatically wraps it in perfect security? Think again. Cloud infrastructure operates on a shared responsibility model, and simple configuration oversights, not complex hacks, are the primary root cause of massive data breaches. If a storage container is left open to the public internet, anyone who finds the web address can read or delete your data without typing a single password. That's why Microsoft Defender for Storage acts as your AI-powered digital security guard. It analyzes data plane and control plane telemetry in real time to spot behavioral anomalies and identityless threats. Operating like an automated inspection station, it instantly scans incoming files for shifting malware, blocks dangerous files, and screens for exposure gaps to lock down your most sensitive records before hackers can exploit them. Want to keep your cloud data completely secure? It all starts with choosing the right landscape for your workload, whether it's standard general-purpose storage, high-speed block blob, or dedicated file storage. Next, ditch risky all-access passwords for role-based access control, making sure to grant the absolute least privilege required to get the job done. Because permissions automatically cascade down from management groups all the way to individual data containers, you should always assign roles to groups at the lowest practical scope. Finally, complete your defense by pairing standard portal workflows with multi-layered data protection like administrative resource locks, soft delete recovery, and file versioning, to insulate your environment from configuration errors and accidental deletions. Think your cloud data is completely safe just because your network firewalls are perfect? Physical risks still exist if someone physically removes a hard drive from a server rack. That's why storage service encryption automatically scrambles all data at rest using secure AES-256 ciphers with absolutely zero code changes or performance trade-offs. You can choose a completely hands-off approach with Microsoft Managed Keys, or take full ownership of your compliance using Azure Key Vault. For ultra-secure environments, you can even enforce double encryption at initial creation, or deploy granular encryption scopes to cleanly isolate separate client data within a single shared storage account. Every storage account comes with a powerful pair of 512-bit master access keys that act as the ultimate administrative password. But because possessing these keys allows an identity to bypass all standard security controls to read, modify, or delete your entire storage resource, they are a high-value target for cybercriminals. To eliminate application downtime, Azure uses an asymmetric pair design, allowing your apps to safely swap to a reserve key while you rotate and regenerate the primary one via the portal, PowerShell, or CLI. While you can fully automate this lifecycle using Azure Key Vault, the ultimate security strategy is trading these master skeleton keys for modern electronic badge scanners. By completely disabling shared key authorization, you force every single request to authenticate using fine-grained, token-based Microsoft Entra ID. Securing Azure file shares means understanding your environment. When choosing network protocols, select Standard SMB for robust Windows features. But remember to route traffic through a VPN to avoid ISP port blocking. For Linux apps, prioritize network endpoints with NFS. To maintain seamless access control during cloud migration, synchronize on-premises Active Directory with Entra ID to enforce proper RBAC roles and fine-grained permissions. Finally, when delegating temporary access to external partners, utilize stored access policies as administrative anchors. Linking SAS tokens to these policies allows for instant revocation if a token is ever compromised. We analyzed active monitoring, deploying automated scanning for malware and sensitive PII using Defender for Storage. We architected gateway identity boundaries, enforcing the principle of least privilege throughout the entire RBAC scope hierarchy. Crypto defenses were implemented utilizing mandatory AES-256 transparent encryption for infrastructure at rest. Next, we navigated the evolution of the key lifecycle, transitioning from risky master brass keys to modern badge-based Microsoft Entra ID authentication. Finally, we secured file networks and temporary passes, establishing encrypted network bridges, private endpoints, and instant revocation policies for delegated SAS token access.